Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Saturday, July 15th. Time is around 1:45 GMT, and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Wanda platform. So today it's Saturday, markets are closed, but in the weekend I always have a look at the higher time frame, the weekly, the daily, for investors, but also for traders as a preparation for the trading week. So my take on the Nasdaq is that we had a massive bull run here, which finished as a wave one in the higher degree. 5 waves up, we end with divergence. So this cycle looks complete. So from there we did a correction. Normally, so a wave 2 correction, in my opinion. Normally, a wave 2 should reach here the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. But as you can see, we did not reach this this area. We started to go up before the 0.5 FIB level. And this looks like a good push upward now. As a wave one, I believe a wave one, a first wave of the 5 waves we should have to reach here the higher degree wave 3. But of course, this is like it could take months or years to play out to reach this area. And even like as long as we do not take out this high here, there is still a scenario that this corrective move here is still ongoing. Like it could be that here in the higher time frame, this is our corrective move, that this was just wave A, this was our wave B, and then from here we do a wave C to the downside, going into this area where we can have wave 2 that fulfills the requirements, so reaching the at least the 0.5 FIB retracement. That would be my bearish scenario in the weekly, but I cannot make this my primary scenario because, as you can see, there is quite some separation between the low here and the current price level. And so it makes more sense to take a bullish scenario as my primary scenario. And this bullish scenario would mean that from here we do a first wave 1 up, then we will have a pullback as a wave 2, and then we move up again as a wave 3, then later 4 and 5. And this is how we should reach then this wave, higher degree wave 3 area. But so for now we are just here, so I think it's better to also focus here on this structure. So then if we zoom in to the daily, again, this is our wave 2 low here, and then it looks like we had the first wave 1 up here, a wave 2 pullback, and so now I think we are working here on this wave 3. After this wave 3, a wave 4 and a wave 5 should follow to complete this higher degree wave 1. An interesting fact here in the daily is that we start to have divergence in the daily. So this is something interesting that I will further monitor, because this might be evidence for the reversal pattern, or for the reversal here, that we reach the end of our wave 3, or that our wave 3 is ending. Then let's zoom in to the 4-hour. So for a while I was doubting if the high could be in right here, because we had this clear divergence, which is a reversal pattern. But I always said that I would reconsider this as soon as we would take out this divergence, and this is actually what we did last week. And so because we took out this divergence, for me now it looks like this was our wave 3 in a lower degree. Then this was our wave 4, only a shallow pullback as a wave 4. And so from here, we now started a new cycle as we erased this divergence. So I believe we are now working on the final wave 5 here of this higher degree wave 3. And then once this completed, we should have a wave 4 pullback. So for investors, I don't think much changed, in the sense that we are still in an area where you better take profit instead of buying. I would not buy here, especially because we now start to see divergence on the in the daily. If this divergence holds, then I would say this is this is ending here. This is our wave 5. Of course, we started, or it looks like we started a new cycle from here, but yeah, I mean, this, it could be that this wave 5 is is quite short. Like, I would not expect a wave 5 here that has the same length as this wave 3. So yeah, and then for buyers, for investors, I'm sorry, we are in an area where you better take profit. I believe you definitely do not buy here. I think the first opportunity to buy in the higher time frame is a decent pullback, and this can be like here, this wave 4 pullback. Once we finish this, we want to see a corrective structure down, and then this can be again a buying opportunity for more upside in a wave 5. And for traders, next week we will have a closer look at the lower time frame. Here we have the 1 hour. In the past 2 weeks, we already had quite some successful trades with the NASDAQ. I believe there might again be opportunities for long trades, as long as the structure is not ended. Like I think next week we might buy this wave 4 here after an ABC correction. It looks like this wave 3 is ending, or maybe one more high before this wave 3 ends. Then pull back in a wave 4 for more upside as a wave 5. But this is something we will analyze in more detail next week. So this is my analysis for the NASDAQ, the higher time frame, the weekly, the daily. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work so I can further grow this channel. And I will see you on Monday for an analysis of the lower time frame. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.